In this video guide, I will give you instructions on how to remove the malicious pop-ups coming from the site Initiateheavilyadvancedthefile.vip. It's a deceptive site that displays pretty misleading and frustrating messages. The pop-up indicates that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and no matter what computer is attacked, the same message comes up. It says that the PC is infected with 5 viruses. So there is something really misleading about all these pop-ups. They claim to be related to some decent security program, but they are not related to that program at all. Initiateheavilyadvancedthefile.vip is indeed a long name for the website. Some of these pop-ups may be presented as some browser update alerts, but once again, these are fake browser update alerts. If you start interacting with them, if you start downloading what they suggest, you will soon realize that you may be simply forwarded to some other questionable resources that may promote a totally different software. So you should do something to get rid of these pop-ups, because most likely, indeed, your system is messed up by adware. First thing you could do manually is to check the control panel of your computer. Uninstall any programs that might be suspicious if you find them. To make sure that the computer is free of any other threats that could be concealed, I recommend researching your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.